Designing your kitchen can be a lot of fun. It's going to be a little bit different than traditional construction because we're going to be doing this before the home is built so that we can release the order to the factory. So let's take a quick look at this. Here is a beautiful kitchen in this particular home. It has a lot of things that are upgrades that are not standard. So let's talk about those. So here you can see you have a side-by-side refrigerator. Standard is an 18 cubic foot. Also, these cabinets are a very beautiful white shaker cabinet, and they have these beautiful, brilliant gold pulls on them. Also here, we have what's called a space saver microwave. It also has an exhaust vent, so it's going to be able to pull everything up. This is an upgraded gas range that has a lot of programming and timers functionality to it, so it's really great. Also, the tile, typically it's just one tile in height for about 4 inches, but this tile goes all the way to the base of the cabinet, which is just beautiful. An upgrade is a dishwasher, so that is a nice one to have there too. Also, if you want to have a garbage disposal, you can. Also, the single lever plumbing fixtures, which is this faucet, is really a nice upgrade and is a wonderful feature. Here too, you can see that they added a center island and did a beautiful design combination of blue. So you get to see the white cabinets for the base and the uppers, and you have this beautiful blue center island with this solid surface countertop. So we will take a look at the option catalog, and we're just going to talk about a few of these things. There's a lot to consider too, because in the drawers you can have soft close. And also for some of the lower cabinets, you can have them that are on rails so they can slide out. For example, if you want to have something for your trash and maybe your recycling. So we're going to jump over and take a quick look at the options catalog. So this is a pretty big PDF, and you'll be able to review this, and there are a lot of pages. So this, we have an idea, is just the options catalog. You're going to have some examples that you're going to see here. We also have some other sort of examples at the very bottom of the document. Real quickly, let's talk about the table of contents. We were just talking about what options you have and what you can do for a kitchen, but you do have appliances, cabinets, sinks, faucets, a lot of extra things. But let's just focus on the kitchen. So getting down here, if you look at any literature on factory build ADUs or factory built homes, there is a list of standard options. And here we actually see the range, refrigerator, and hood vent that come with the home. These are the standard options. There's no additional charge. It's not an upgrade. If you want to start upgrading and changing things, there are a lot of choices that the factories offer. And one of those is this package that we saw in that kitchen a moment ago. So, and you also have other sort of, you have the side-by-side. So I'm just going to quickly kind of go through this so you can kind of take a look at this. So there are other options as well. I mentioned that you can do full of soft close, but you have different options here. Here's that cabinet that pulls out if you want to put your trash and recycling. And there's other sort of things that you can do as well too. For example, here, this is a beautiful configuration if the floor plan would allow it, where you have all of this cabinets and these pullouts. So really quickly, again, this is a pretty big document. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but I want to let you know that there are just so many choices, and we're here to help you work through those choices so that we can get that kitchen configured exactly the way that you want it.